The big fortunes from single company investments are almost always realized by persons who have a close relationship with a particular company through employment, family connection, etc., which justifies them in placing a large part of their resources in one medium and holding on to this commitment through all vicissitudes, despite numerous temptations to sell out at apparently high prices along the way. An investor without such close personal contact will constantly be faced with the question of whether too large a portion of his funds are in this one medium. Each decline, however temporary it proves in the sequel, will accentuate his problem, and internal and external pressures are likely to force him to take what seems to be a goodly profit, but one far less than the ultimate bonanza. 3 recommended fields for enterprising investment. To obtain better than average investment results over a long pull requires a policy of selection or operation possessing a twofold merit. One, it must meet objective or rational tests of underlying soundness. And two, it must be different from the policy followed by most investors or speculators. Our experience and study leads us to recommend 3 investment approaches that meet these criteria. They differ rather widely from one another, and each may require a different type of knowledge and temperament on the part of those who assay it.